Where's the lamb sauce?
Man. Okay. Hello, my one forget how y'all doing. Is that Gabe? But, welcome to an itch.io game called Dear Sheep. It is... The person said it was the first time creating a game. And I just want to see what we got. I love checking out new stuff like this, especially if it's a first timer for making games, because I feel like people just get more talented as it goes on, and it's awesome. But this is Dear Sheep. Our objective? Feed the sheep. That looks like a mugshot. What do I feed them? Feed the sheep. Okay. Hello. They seem to be feeding themselves. Feed all once. What the fuck was that? Sounds like one of those damn, like kazoos. See? Those sound like sheep. One of these things is not like the other. Why is there a smokestack? Wait a minute, why the fuck is there a smokestack? How do I feed sheep? What the fuck, radio? what the fuck was that? What? What type of... What? What was that about? Oh. Well, what the hell? Pick up hay. That's not good hay if it's got flies all over it. Can I put it in the pot? Can I eat hay? No? Okay, no. I also want to let you all know that the next couple videos will be me playing itch.io games. But if you come from itch, because of the video, you would know that. To you too. They could feed themselves. Like it's right here. Unless I'm poisoning them. Ah, sleep. As you do. Are those like hay bale thingies over there? That's what it looks like. I guess I sleep. I'm sleepy. Day 2. Are you sure it's day 2? Looks like fucking night 2. I can't turn the radio on. Feed the sheep. Well, there's no longer a fence there, and I see blood. We have a gun, right? We're a farmer. I'm assuming we're a farmer. We have to have a gun, right? We're a farmer, for Christ's sake. Come on. Oh. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Can't wait to get jump scared. Actually, hold on. The big sheep killed all of them. You little bastard. Well, not little anymore, because you just ate 3 fucking sheep. You fat bastard, come here. You ain't gonna eat shit, you fat fuck. Stop eating your brothers! God. Go home. Fuck. That little fucker. He just ate my livelihood. He just said, nah, fuck you, I'm hungry. I want to eat. Oh, I can actually kind of run. It's gonna turn out war the sheep. What the hell? I don't think we're going to sleep. We're gonna die. Okay, hold on. Do I not go home? Okay. Said go home. Can't sleep. This bitch ass ain't here. Are we the sheep? Are we the big sheep? Go home. Yeah, I tried going home. I went home. Nothing happened. Other than the Mongolian attempted singing. Oh. Hua! Hua! Oh yeah! Yeah, that's not me moving. I was wondering about that. I'm gonna get jump scared. Bring it, you fat bitch! You fat motherfucker! You kill my livelihood? I'm gonna have some lamb chops. I'm gonna get me some lamb chops. I'm surprised I don't have a gun. Let me guess, go home. Okay, I've gone home twice now. Nothing's fucking happened. The radio goes off, and then I get footsteps of womp womp womp. Can't really feed the sheep, considering they're all dead except for the fat one that ate them. Would you shut up? Shut the fuck up. It's just gonna turn out that that fat one's my wife. She got hangry. Very, very hangry. Okay, seriously though, what the fuck do I do? Excuse me, sir. What the fuck do I do? Sir, explain to me what I do.
Funniest thing I've seen in ages.
Day 3. How am I not dead? You're a dick. Oh my god, I actually am eating what the fucker. You're telling me you're gonna beat this Let me stab you. Let me stab you, dickhead. Stab him! Oh, fine. You lazy-ass bastard. You didn't even eat them all. You just killed them. You didn't have to kill all of them. You could have killed one and ate it and slowly got the others. No, let me eat everything. Butcher. Oh, I can't go out that way. Okay, well. Feed him. Feed me. Do I have to? Do I have to? I have to. Oh, what a nice romantic candlelit dinner, Mr. Sheep. Oh, that was it. Mustafa must Eurically. So, let me get this straight. I'm in an abusive relationship with the sheep, where he beats the shit out of me every now and then. Okay then. This is a title screen, by the way, but I skipped over it. But, that was my dear sheep. Well, not very obviously it's a fast, and he does say it's his fast game he's making, PSX graphics, you know. I like how he called it my dear sheep, and it literally is my dear sheep. The fat bastard literally was my lover. Bastard. But if you enjoy my editing and commentary wise, please like and subscribe to my video. Show some love, it helps out. And if you want to check it out yourself and go show some support to the creator, you can just honestly go onto itch and type in my dear sheep, and it'll probably pop up. But with that out of the way, we're reaching to my video. And, well, I say what I always say at the end of my videos. Bye-bye.